What's up and get on there, everybody? Welcome back to the Modern Roots Kitchen channel. Today I'm going to be making the #1 cocktail in all of Mexico, the Paloma. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, let's make the #1 drink in all of Mexico, the Paloma. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a glass, preferably a Collins glass, a nice tall cylindrical glass. So we're going to get some lime juice and we're going to rim our glass nicely. We got some Tajín chili powder right here. Give it a nice spicy rim. Boom. We're going to grab a few ice cubes. What happened?
They always put them in like these types. Remember we had one of these?
Oh, I don't have one.
I finished one. We had one like that was like a cup.
Wait, that way you can see the colors. Right. Anyways, so we're going to grab some ice, just some regular old ice cubes. Fill our glass. Now we're gonna do a dry shake on this. So we're gonna get, this tequila right here is Altos. It's 100% agave tequila. It has hints of citrus. It has hints of agave flavor. It has a nice briny flavor. It's a mid-shelf tequila, and I think it'd be perfect for our Paloma here. It's also made in Mexico. So I'm gonna get an ounce and a half of this tequila. Boom, 1 ounce. And 1/2. It smells really good also. Next, we're gonna grab the juice of about 1/4 of a grapefruit. I'm gonna add that in there, as well as the juice of a lime. Squeeze that. Beautiful. Now we're gonna do our dry shake. A dry shake just means that there's no ice. It's just to get the citrus woken up. We don't wanna water down this too much. Just a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and pour that into our glass. Then after that, all you gotta do is grab your favorite grapefruit soda. I'm using Jarritos right now. You can use Squirt, you can use whatever you want. You can use a fancy grape soda. What we're gonna do is put the rest of it, give a nice fizziness, nice sweetness. We're gonna get our little garnish. We got a little grapefruit slice right here. I'm just gonna dip it in our chili powder. We're gonna put this on the side. And that's it. That's a Paloma, the #1 drink in all of Mexico. My favorite cocktail. Salud. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this delicious beverage off camera. I'll see you guys next time on Modern Roots Kitchen.
Bro.